Do you have a business that you know could be doing much better? Are you putting all your time and effort into something that's just not yielding the results that you expected? A lot of times we have great business ideas, but we know that it's only the half of it. Executing that idea can be a challenge. There's so much that goes into building and running a successful business. You must build out the idea, brand it, and market it, while at the same time making sure you operate your business legally. Failing at just one of these steps can be detrimental to the entire business. That's why we're here to help. We have years of experience starting and running successful businesses. We've gone through all the headaches, so we know how to best avoid them. It's time to take control of your business for good. Our business coaching services are flexible and accommodating to your business's specific needs, large or small. Call us today. We have qualified professionals ready to help.